Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can find your Telegram password. The first thing you should do is that if you are on Telegram and the first time you log it in, you saved the password, it is very easy to search. We are going to the settings, in settings to the slides or Google. Press Google and we can see manage your account, your Google account, and we can see the so many options, but I interest is security. And to the slides here, and we can see manage password. Press here. Okay, and your Telegram account should appear here. Yes, I told you save it once. In my case, I did not save it, but what you have to do is press the account, a Telegram, for example, with this, and here we can see the password. It's very quick and simple, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of this once again in your always reliable Tecnoguías.